Hi guys, I am Azam from Old Creatives and I help Amazon sellers in snatching sales from their computer with my creative. Today my topic of the video is how to win Amazon PPC bids with better creative, not bigger budgets. Most Amazon sellers believe one thing, if I want more impressions, I have to raise my bids. But that's not the real truth. Here is the reality. Amazon does not reward the sellers who have highest bid, but reward the sellers who likely to convert. Why? Because if your product sells, Amazon makes money through percentage of commissions. Imagine this: seller A bids $1.50 and seller B bids $1.50 on the same keyword, but Amazon shows seller B ads more often. Why? Because the chances of conversion of seller B is more than the seller A. That's why Amazon shows seller B. Similarly, seller B has a higher click-through rate and conversion rate. And what drives those numbers? Your creatives. The first thing buyers see in your listing is your main image. If it's not scroll stopping, you are leaking money in the PPC. Let's jump into my screen and I will break it down that how you can steal spot from your competitors. In my screen now I'm showing to you guys that how to win Amazon PPC bids with better creatives, not bigger budgets. PPC myth versus reality. When you bid on a keyword, Amazon look at three things: your bid amount, obviously, but not the whole story. Your relevance, does your product match the keywords in the title, bullets, description, and A+ content? Your expected conversion rate, CVR. This is where creatives come in. If your listings looks more trustworthy, more professional, and more desirable, Amazon predicts you will convert more. So Amazon creatives is important for lower PPC spends, lower ACoS. That means Amazon will often let you win the placement even with lower bids because they know they will earn more total commission from you. Let me jump into the fixes. There are 5 creatives fixes. Let me scroll it down. Main image that pops. It means your main image is your click magnet. Make sure it fills the frame, has a perfect lighting. Use angles that make the product feel bigger and more premium. Let me share a small trick with you guys that if in supplement category, if you use 3000 multiplied by 3000 dimension, your product will attract more customers, more clicks, and more conversion rate instead of 2000 multiplied by 2000 dimensions. It's a little hack for you guys. I have seen many image tweaks alone drop CPC by 15%. So the main image fix is very important, and what you have to do is full frame bright lighting. And why it works? Because higher CTR. The next thing is lifestyle image. Show your product in action with your ideal customer. Don't just show a yoga mat, show someone using it at sunrise with a calm, happy expression. The image is selling a feeling, not just a product. So using emotion plus usage type product builds trust. That's why it works. Third fix is comparison image. Shoppers love to know why you are better. Show a side by side comparison chart, ours versus theirs. Keep it visual and easy to understand in 3 seconds. So why it works? It works because it clarifies value fast. The fourth fix is A+ content. When shopper click your ad, they scroll. Your A+ content should match the style of your images, answer objections, and reinforce your value. Consistency here build trust instantly. So if you show objection handling in the A+ content, it will improve CTR. The final step is very important: on image CTA. A small text overlay like fits in any car trunk or 2x stronger can double clicks. Keep it bold and easy to read even on mobile. Like call to action is very important over the images. I see many sellers use Amazon images without CTA. So it's a no-brainer for you guys that you should use call to action buttons. So let me jump into the like case study stuff. I recently designed this premium A+ content for my clients, and if you see that there is a call to action, definitely spacious, safe, and snuggle ready, then I show the product in use, like a female with a kitten, and our product is showing. Next, there is a video dog, like the product is carrier, so I definitely shows the dog and cat both in the same A+ content. I show the features with the images. It looks a little bit blurrier in the screen recording, so I hope you guys can get the idea. If you see, there is comparison image, like what I can show different in this product. Let me talk about the case study behind this product. Is one of my clients was losing money on PPC, same bid as competitor but fewer impressions. We redesigned their main image, swept 2-week lifestyle shorts for strong ones, Like you can see the lifestyle images here and a clear comparison chart. Let me show you the comparison chart here. So here you can see that we clearly show the customers that why our product is better than the competitors. Comparison chart is must, and you guys won't believe it, in less than 3 weeks click-through rate went up to 38%. Let me show you. So first, the client uses weak main images, generic lifestyle, no CTA, no comparison image. We upgraded the main image, added emotional lifestyle images, added comparison chart images, and then the CTR boost up to 38%. TPC dropped down from 1.20 to 0.89 for the on the same keywords, same bids, and conversion rate increased from 12% to 19%. So if you guys do a little bit math, if my client earning like $2,000 a month, so after just improving conversion from 12 to 19% is just a 7% improvement in conversion, and definitely their sales increase. Now action plan for you guys. Here is what you should do next. Audit your current listing image, find the weakest two, upgrade your main image first, it's your biggest lever. Replace one style photo with a high emotional one. Rerun your PPC campaigns with the same bids for at least 2 weeks. Compare CTR, CPC and conversion rates before making any further changes. Don't just throw money at Amazon, make your creatives do the heavy lifting. So these are all the stuff. I will send you the slides for you guys. If you want, just comment slides and I will send. That's the end. If you want scroll stopping creatives that make your PPC cheaper and effective, check the link in the description. I have helped hundreds of Amazon sellers win more bids without increasing their ad spends, and I would love to do the same for you guys. Until next time, keep your bids smart and your creatives sharper.